See, it sinks there. Boom, there's a wall there. So we're gonna adjust that and then we're gonna check it out in a second. Come over to the side. Beautiful. Does she do a lot of good stretches throughout the day? Yes. Does she manage lifestyle with good sleep and diet? Yes. So the adjustment is an effortless event. Lie on your stomach, and it feels great. I actually feel space with that simple motion being restored to the spine. It's opening that way. And we're gonna try to feel it deep, not just in this section of the joint, but way down through here. Oh, right there. And so you can feel how it's gapping. And check this out one last time, you all. And you can see thumbs just sink down perfectly. So great.